Hello everyone, today's topic is air. Today in this video we'll cover what is air, what air contains and fresh air. What is air? Air is all around us. But can we see the air? No, we cannot see the air, but we can feel the air. Air is the mixture of gases. Let's see what are those gases. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Among these four gases, oxygen is the most important one. Animals and we human beings need oxygen to live, and without oxygen we cannot survive. Oxygen also keeps the air fresh. You know one secret thing? Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has oxygen on it. So what air contains? To know what air contains, let's do one small activity. Let's go to your kitchen and tell your mother that mummy, please put some water inside a pan and put it on the gas stove. After some time, we can see the level of the water inside the pan, it came down. How it is possible? The heat from the fire changes the water into steam or gas, and the steam and gas is called water vapor. This gas or steam or water vapor mixes with the air. So, air contains water vapor. In this picture, your mother is putting all the weight cloths outside. After some time, we can see the weight cloths become dry. How it is possible? The heat of the sun changes the water from the weight cloths into water vapor. So, cloths become dry. Water vapors get into the air all the time from ponds, oceans, and rivers. So, air always contains water vapor. In this picture, you can see some dark color gas which is coming out from the factory, car, chimney of a house, and burning forest. What is this dark color gas? This is called smoke. Smoke mixes with air and is very harmful. Smoke makes the air impure. So, air contains smoke. Can you see the sunlight coming inside a room through the window? And can you see the tiny things in the ray of light? Yes, we can see some tiny things. But what are those tiny things? These tiny things are dust particles. And air contains dust also. Air contains germs. What is germs? Germs are small living things that grow in dirty place and make people ill. When a sick person coughs or sneezes, germs come out and mix with the air. These germs inhaled by someone may make him also sick. So what air contains? We came to know air contains water vapor, smoke, dust and germs. Fresh air. So air is present all around us, that we know. Fresh air keeps us healthy. So how will get this fresh air? Plants produce oxygen while making their food, and we know oxygen is very important for us. Plants helps to keep the air fresh and clean. So what we should do to keep the air fresh? We should grow more and more plants to keep our air fresh. So kids, this is all about your air chapter. Thank you.